What's up, vlog? Hi naman kayo sa vlog. Oh my god, girls, nakafulog lang si ate.
Yung gift! Pakita mo yung gift!
Yan, pakita mo naman yung gift. So, saan mo binili yan?
Milan.
Saan? Milan. So, kakauwi mo lang galing Italy. May jet lag ka pa, no?
Pagtingin ako sa Dior.
Ito naman yung gift ko, guys. So, nag-travel pa ako from Spain. Tapos parang sabi ni Rasmin na, oh, meron tayong kainan sa Medusa, blah. Sabi ko, oh my god, magbubook na agad ako ng business class sa ano.
Book ko na ba?
Hindi siya makaganon kasi masisira yung hair niya. Kaya nakaganyan na siya the entire time.
Tagal-tagal inayos niya na.
Tingin! Parang Chinese New Year pa lang. Atake mo dyan.
May meeting kasi.
Pati nga na siya. Tignan mo to. Yung chanelas. Napakalalo. Yan yung susuotin niya doon.
Sandals ko ba dito? Ghetto.
So yeah, pupunta lang kami doon to order some... Ay! Mag-i-English only ako doon! Hindi ako... Hindi ako magtatagalog. Well, as someone who grew up in States, I don't really know how to speak Tagalog. Oh my god! Oh,
Parang...
na-miss ko kayo.
Alam mo, parang ngayon ka lang ulit nakalabas ng lungga.
Girl, alam mo naman, I was always in my crib. So, meron pa kaming, we have a lot of kasama pa. So, Hannah, Rasmin, and Kate, and friends of Kate pa. So, we'll just go to BGC na lang, right?
Yeah.
We'll just kita-kita na lang there. So, I'm gonna order adobo.
Gin bilog.
Gin bilog and adobo. Like, what the fuck?
Ganyan, di yung...
Ayan.
So, anong atake mo ngayon?
Wait, pang main ko to. Yung malikot, pang dump ko yun. Pero ito pang main ko talaga to.
So, anong inspo mo sa suot mo ngayon?
Si ano... Sino ba pwede? Si Michael Jackson. We are so near na sa BGC and... Don't off! We are so near na and nagre-retouch na yung mga tao. Hoy, wag lang ikaw. Umusog ka dyan. Ang tagal mong nakaano dyan. So yeah, talagang trail na liku na lang nasa beach lang. So para mag-re-apply lang kami ng mga makeup and shit namin. And yeah, bye!
Arrange bait mo.
Arrange bait siya ng BGC.
Na! Kakain ba kayo?
1, 2, 3, go! Kanya-kanya.
Kanya-kanya na. Magkakain ba muna kayo?
So malapit na talaga. Wag na dumiretso na tayo sa Medusa. We're at BGC ni guys. Yeah. Girls attack. Girls attack. This is my gift for her.
Naiihin ako.
Yeah.
Hanap ng ano yun.
Go.
Nasa loob na sila ba? Sa loob na. Naiihi na ako. Yung background ng video niya.
Ano? Gago naman yung pinagsasabi niya dyan. Asa loob na ba sila? Say hi to my vlog. Happy birthday, girl! Girl, happy birthday! So this is our vlog. Oh my god, sobrang sarap daw nito. Nakikita ko. Yeah, so we're at the... Dapat serious mo nandiyan eh. Please.
Wala.
Bro is very chaotic talaga. Oh my god, I feel like after this, I'm gonna fucking request for ID na talaga. Guys, so I was very embarrassed.
Bakit ako kabahan? Meron.
Guys, I was very embarrassed because when I went inside, the guard was like, "Oh, do you have any ID? Do you have any ID?" Blah, blah, blah. I was like, "Oh no, I don't have my school ID lang. Just I don't have any IDs talaga." Blah. And she was like, "Oh, do you have any ID? Government? Blah." I was embarrassed kasi I don't have any talaga. And she was like, "Oh, how old are you na ba? Ganon. I was like, 22 years old na po. I already graduated. Do you want me to show you my grad pic? Blah, blah. And she was like, "You have your ano ba, birth certificate?" That's the only thing I have. I was like, "Okay, sure I have." Bro. Vlog. Hi. Stop moving it.
Di ba ganun yun? Hindi ganun yung kinakao. Ito talaga.
Meron nyo si Kit.
Para makto tayo.
Bro, it was so fucking good. Happy birthday! Thank you.
May video kayo.
Go girl. Go. Don't say it loud ah. Don't say it loud. Yeah. Just keep it to yourself na lang. Oh my god, I like the vibe here. Oh my god, happy birthday girl. Hey, don't show your reaction yet. What's your rate? Oh, what's that first?
This is I think this is coconut something.
Oh, that
Na
one.
may gin.
No way, that's disgusting.
Ay, pineapple! Ay!
Take the other one. Yeah. What's that first?
I like this one.
Is it milk?
Kanino to? Pineapple na may hint ng parang piña colada eh.
Alright. So what's the rate?
7.
Seven?
Ito. Feeling ko matapang to.
Is it ube?
That's pink flavor.
Mine is so fucked up, girl. Girl, taste mine. Mine is so fucked up. Ay, oo nga,
Magkaiba na
same.
pulo.
Hindi, same lang talaga. Told you it was like... Taste it. Okay. Go. How is it? Kaya nagkakagulo na po sila. Airdropan mode na po kasi.
Wait lang.
Nag-iiba na pong...
Overstimulate na.
Ano pa? Ay, sorry. Ano? Go guess the bill. Guess the bill. Bro, guess the bill. Ikaw.
Pinakamalapit daw magbabayad ah.
Pinakamalayo magbabayad. Ikaw, girl. Ay, alam mo na. I-heard din yun, di ba? Dali, ako pa video.
I feel like mga
120,000. Well, contractor kasi yung ano ko. Yung work ng mom ko. So, I feel like mga 98,000. So, what was it, girl? Go, vlogger. Message. Need your name. Go. Message for Rasmin.
I wish maging responsible ka as a financial holder, especially for the money, and
Yeah.
mabalance mo siya ng maayos.
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
And don't let others tawag ito parang belittle you just because matagal mo silang nakasama habang buhay. Don't let them maliitin ka or like take advantage of you because alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi tama yan. Learn to stand up for yourself and huwag mo daanin lahat sa bait. Wish ko lang. And maging masipag at
Ganda
marangal na
dyan.
art. so much.
Oh, sino next to? Bianca.
Go na ba?
Oo, best. Wala nang
Go na ba?
paksa. Yeah.
I wish you sana makasabay tayo, ikaw or ako na maging RN naman soon.
Kasi you guys are, di ba, sabay enrolled?
Yeah, from first year enrollment until now, kasama pa din kami. And I wish Rasmin na true happiness. You know, yung mga
Like genuine.
Yeah, genuine happiness.
Oh my God, you're teary-eyed. She wanted to cry. Oh, ikaw naman.
My wish for her is to pass the board exam, one thing and lastly. And I wish we can hang out naman sa US. Hindi na here dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, we hate Philippines. It's so fucked up country.
Ikaw naman.
Yun lang, hindi meron pa. Yun lang. Go. Hi guys! So, yeah, my message naman for Rasmin. I have known her for quite a long. Siguro 4 years from now. Kasi we've been like classmates since like first year. And since I know her, she was very generous. Like, I remember minsan kahit wala na, sabi niya meron pa. She's like that. She's the type of person na gagawin ko paraan, something like that, right? I've known her for her generosity. Like she's a good person. And yeah, ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana you get to be a nurse. I know someday we're all gonna be a nurse. Kailangan lang natin mag-focus. Alam ko meron kang ibang way of mechanism, meron tayong iba't ibang kung gusto mong gumalaga. Pero yeah, kailangan na pa rin natin i-focus yung mga responsibility. Prioritize yourself. Yun lang. I love you. Okay.
Thank you so much, guys. RN 2026.
It's her 23th 20.
We'll wait for you.
What do you mean?
February.
Yeah, guys, sadly, I didn't, I'm not gonna take the boards for August. Kasi I'm resting pa.
So
Yeah.
Ben, tingin nyo, saan yung pinakaunang bansa na gagalaan natin?
Yeah. What do you wanna say in your future?
Hindi, I mean yung, tingin yung,
Work para mag-stay kayo.
I mean yung kayong lahat. Possible kaya?
Oo naman.
O go, mag-suggest kayo. Ano to? Wait lang.
Go.
Ano tawag yung law of attraction?
Go.
Mga manifesting, ganyan. O go.
I feel like if we get to be a nurse na and you're all successful and shit, I feel like I wanna go to Greece. It's so nice there. Italy. Oh my God, I love Japan. Ikaw. Or airtime sa'yo. Parang ito kanina.
Kailangan natin mag-igay.
Yeah.
Kailangan natin i-recreate sa Disneyland.
Yeah. Ikaw.
So,
You.
tingin ko, Sanrio Land,
Saan yun?
Japan.
Japan din. Kasi mahilig siya sa ganun eh. Mahilig siya sa mga parang crew. I'm gonna have to eat there.
Okay na.
Ay, maganda ko. Bye! Thank you. Bye girl, bye.
Bye, girl.
Bye girls!